Discover the NAB show, the ultimate destination for media, entertainment and technology professionals. Explore innovation and connect with industry leaders right here in Las Vegas. Well, here we are in Las Vegas at the NAB show, and I'm so pleased to catch up once again with Marco from Proton Camera Innovations, the smallest little cameras in the world. Last time I saw you, Marco, was at the IBC in Amsterdam 7 months ago, and a lot has changed.
Thank you, Sarah, coming back again. I'm also very happy to see you again. And since 7 months, we really did a lot. In Amsterdam, we had a preview of our 4K camera, the smallest 4K camera in the market. It's available right now, so it's ready to sell. You can just buy it.
So this is the Proton 4K camera, and it's now ready to buy?
Yes, it's in stock since end of the year. We start production, so you can just order right away and creating exciting content with this.
And what are customers saying so far?
Crazy size, people saying to us they don't believe it's possible, but we did.
And what can you actually achieve with such a small camera?
The interesting thing is that you have really high quality, high dynamic and low light in that form factor in 4K. Compared to our 2K camera, it's a big step, and I think people will find what to do with it.
And one of the things you've been doing as well, Marco, is really listening to your customers, and they were asking you for Zoom operations. And this is the prototype.
Exactly. So the background is quite simple. Making a small camera is always good, but you go compromises on lenses. So customer asking for options to get more control. So we decided to make a small zoom camera where you have a decent wide angle and telematic range. And that is very useful in interview situations or on moderators, on music and concerts. The nice thing is you can control it with the same commands and same quality you used to have from our cameras, but it's really small and it's almost invisible compared to other PTZ solutions, for example.
And that's not the only solution you've come up with either, because I believe you have the smallest slow-mo camera in the world?
Oh yes, I'm quite sure about that. So we are always trying to really beat the edge. So we really thought how to make it as small as possible. And so we came out with Proton HFR, high frame rate. So this is a 240 frames multi-phase camera. So it's a global shutter, it's 2/3, it's C-mount or S-mount. And I think nothing is available in this size. But beyond this, people are saying, that's really tiny, but to give even more option, we decided to make the lens part detachable. So we will have also a version like this, where you can detach the lens in the area up to 70 centimeters to really match into corners we have not been before.
So where would a camera like this be used? What are the possibilities?
So on the big broadcasters, they have EVS available. They're really looking for high frame rate in like gold cams or like pole cams that you have an interesting situation in, can you instantly a slow motion. That's the reason why we need to squeeze it down to put it really in a space where you don't have space.
So Marco, there are lots of lens options as well for this tiny 4K camera.
Yes, it's not just for the 4K, just for the 2K and also for the Rain. We have 8 different lenses for different angles. So depending on what you really want, you have a wide variety of angles you can choose between very narrow and wide angle. They can easily be interchanged, and by this you can adapt to your situation.
And last of all, Marco, I believe you've one other revelation on the stand today.
Yes, another thing what we are also working on is making the integration and control easier. So all cameras are serial controlled by RS-45, and now we are working on PoE, what means you can control it over Ethernet, including power over Ethernet. So we have prototype here, and this will also come in a few months, that you can easily plug it into your network and control the camera with IP.
Incredible. I am so glad that I came over to talk to you, and good luck with the show. I'm sure you will be very busy.
Thank you very much. Thank you for coming by and for the interest. Bye-bye.